Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make dry roux. Unlike traditional roux that uses fat, dry roux is simply flour toasted in a dry pan. This method creates a lighter, nutty flavor base for your dishes. It's perfect for thickening gravies, gumbos, and sauces without adding extra oil. You'll find it's a versatile and easy technique to master in your kitchen. Making dry roux requires minimal ingredients and equipment. All you need is some all-purpose flour, which is readily available. For the best results, use a heavy-bottomed skillet or a cast-iron pan to ensure even heat distribution. And don't forget a whisk or a sturdy spatula. Constant stirring is key to preventing burning and achieving that perfect toast.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing all your delicious creations, whether it's a hearty gumbo or a delicate sauce. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's get to the process. First, heat your dry skillet over medium-low heat. Once warm, add your flour directly to the pan. Begin stirring immediately and continuously. This constant motion prevents the flour from burning and ensures even toasting. Keep stirring until the flour reaches your desired color and releases a pleasant, nutty aroma. The color of your dry roux dictates its flavor and use. A light roux toasted for just a few minutes is pale and perfect for delicate white sauces. A medium roux golden brown offers a deeper flavor, great for gumbos. For a rich, intense flavor, toast it longer to a deep brown, creating a dark roux. Each color brings unique qualities to your dishes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.